Hi guys, I'm Jigar Wagela. Last time we discussed the type of constraint used in Sketch. Now in this video, I will introduce one creating tool, Loft. Before that, I would like to differentiate extrude and Loft. In extrude, profile remains same throughout its length, while in case of Loft, profile will vary from section to section. Let us try to understand through one example. Create a standard part template. Now I would like to make a sketch on XY plane. Select XY plane, right click and make new sketch. I will draw one rectangle. Give appropriate dimension of rectangle as per your requirement. Now we have make this sketch on XY plane. So I would like to highlight this XY plane. Select XY plane and right click and select the visibility. Now we can see this XY plane on which we have made this rectangle, first rectangle. Now I would like to make another plane on XY plane. So select plane, select XY plane and move the cursor upside. Here give the offset value for new plane. I will give the value of 35 mm. You can give any value. Now select plane and make a new sketch. Again I will draw another rectangle. Select center. But this time size of the rectangle will be little bit larger than the previous. Give the dimension. And select new sketch. Same way, make another plane and make a new sketch. But this time I will make a plane in a different way. On the screen select right click and new sketch. Select the previous plane, move the left click and move the cursor upside. Here write down the value of offset value. Now make a sketch. This time I will make a sketch of circle instead of rectangle. Select center and give the diameter. Finish sketch. Repeat the procedure. Select right click, make a new sketch. Select the previous plane, move the cursor upside and give the offset value. Now this time I want to use the last sketch. I do not want to make a new sketch. So select profile geometry and select the last sketch. This is a circle. It was highlighted in the yellow color. That means we have select the last sketch. And click on finish sketch. Now look at this. We have create 4 plane and we have create 4 new sketch on the each and individual plane. Now give the loft command. Select each sketch one by one from bottom to top. First, second, third and fourth. Select OK. Now our object is ready. It's a bottle of beer or bottle of wine. If you wanted to make it more beautiful, then give the fillet at each corner. Apply the fillet and select the edge of each corner. Rotate the object from this home tab. Now our bottle of beer is ready. Let me go through one of the example. select XY plane, create new sketch. This time I will select the profile of ellipse. Select center. Select my major axis, then minor axis. Give the dimension of major and minor axis. New sketch. Now sketch on first plane is ready. I would like to highlight this XY plane. Make it visible. Now repeat the procedure that we have done in the last sketch. Right click, new sketch, select the XY plane, move the cursor upside and give the offset value. Make another ellipse, but this time value will be larger than the previous. I would like to make another plane. This time I will change the profile and make a circle. Give the diameter of the circle. Make OK. Again repeat the procedure for another plane. New sketch and give the offset the plane. Now I would like to make the circle same for this new plane. So select profile geometry and select the last sketch. New sketch. This time again we have made a 4 different sketch on 4 different planes. Now give the loft command. Select each sketch one by one from bottom to top. First, second, third and fourth. Now see, our object is ready with the help of Loft tool. So we have made 2 different bottle, this one and this one, with the help of Loft tool. We have made a very simple part with the help of Loft tool. You can make a complex geometry. This is just one example. So from the next video, we will see one basic feature of creating geometry. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.